Beginning temperature 31.4, 31.4. Beginning mileage 148.2, 148.2. Hello, polar bears, and I'm sure you're wondering why I'm doing a voiceover. I'm doing a voiceover, and that was because today it was so windy that on my ride I ended up not talking at all and just concentrating on riding. Wind gusts today, very, very strong, and it turned out to be really difficult to actually keep the bike upright sometimes. Yeah, it was crazy. I put in about 10 miles, something around there, and gave up and went home. I had planned today to head down the other end of town and go down one road that had a couple of curves in it. That didn't happen. Didn't feel safe doing that with the way the wind was. So, yeah, it was pretty crappy. So, rode around my usual route. Went down the same road I did the one time in my Christmas video. Did that, came back up, passed another biker, then went to Wawa. Rode around the neighborhood a few times, made my loop several times, so I just pulled out a few different clips from my ride to show you guys. So that's about it, really. I just want to say that I hope that everybody had a good New Year's and everything. And supposed to get even colder today, in the 30s. Supposed to cool down even more, especially with this wind. It's freezing. So I'm going to try and get a few rides in this week. Weather's not looking too bad. Maybe a few flurries, but it's supposed to be in the teens and 20s for the rest of the week. So my dad said, yeah, you'll really get some polar bear rides in now, and hopefully I will. Hopefully the bike actually starts in the teens. We'll find out. After this week, it's supposed to go back to being warm again, so I'm going to try and get the rides that I can in while I can. So, hope you guys enjoy just watching these few clips from my ride, and see you guys next time.
ってなれすわがし腰の上虚しい病気この難しいぬるがなもうだばらとくたんぜだらしゃけくまと死んで野心の立ち場所で意味込みで溺れに誰もおらん生きるふり出しこのがマシーな文字の面のらなるしはなんてそんなんすべき一生でもバレてしかねおら Expensive fight Expensive fight Expensive fight Roll that full speed Expensive fight Expensive fight Expensive fight Struggling for a
Ending mileage 158.9, 158.9.